Hello, I am Jesus Anderson Villagiran. I am 23 years old and I live in the city of Bogota. Um, I spend my free time with my wife and daughter, and what the most touched her is I travel a lot. The best tour we have done was to go to San Andres Island. We have a great time there. They are the best beaches we have ever seen. Um, we have practiced diving and it was great experience. We also visit the mangrove area and the most beautiful natural aquarium, since the fish are free in their habitat. Um, it is a bit strange to see that the sunset is different than the interior of Colombia. It starts to 8 p.m. Um, and sells and sells spectacular trips, and we are waiting for the next vacation on the repeated trip. Thanks. Bye.